Studyfinds.org. Bees, caffeine, better pollinators. Bees produce over a third of our food. They're being wiped out by climate change, pesticides, and diseases, reducing humans' ability to grow crops. Their decline has far-reaching consequences. Insects provide a food source for many birds, amphibians, bats, and reptiles. A recent scientific review of insect numbers around the world suggested that 40% of species were undergoing dramatic rates of decline. Bees, ants, and beetles are disappearing 8 times faster than mammals, birds, or reptiles, scientists say. Researchers also noticed that caffeine had a subtle effect on the bees' handling speed and the number of flowers they were visiting in a given amount of time. While it got faster over time, the caffeine bees improved the most rapidly, which suggests caffeine also improves motor learning skills. This is something we could have anticipated because the bees got sugared no matter if they visited the targeted flower or the distractor flower. In some ways, they were unlearning just as fast as they were learning. Preference didn't last long, and caffeinated bees quickly began visiting the other type of flower almost equally too. Now the question is, where do the bees get their caffeine? Comparison, 60% given the strawberry odor and sugar but without caffeine, 45% only sugar initially chose the strawberry flowers. Of course, that's the ones that go to first. It suggests caffeine had a noticeable impact in improving the bee's ability to recognize a strawberry flower from its odor and to remember it has their desired nectar. In test, 86 previously untrained bumblebees were divided into 3 groups. 2 got either the strawberry odor with a caffeinated sugar solution or sugar solution alone, allowing them to learn the positive association. The 3rd received the sugar solution without any linked scent. In a flight arena, bees were let loose where they had to choose between 2 types of robotic flowers. They contain the strawberry odor they were already exposed to, or distractors with another fragrance. 7 in 10 of the caffeinated bees visited the strawberry flowers first, much higher than chance. Caffeine found naturally in coffee and citrus is known to play a role in converting bees into faithful customers of caffeinated flowers. Earlier experiments have indicated bees have a preference for the smell of flowers with caffeinated nectar, but they have mostly been designed to give bees caffeine of the flower itself. Dr. Arnold and colleagues discovered caffeinated bees actually have better memories, rather than just create the chemical. They provided bees with caffeine at their nest while they learned to associate a specific smell. The synthetic odor blend mimics the scent of a strawberry flower with a delicious sugar solution. Afterwards, when they were sent out to forage for food and chose the strawberry-scented flowers, they would be rewarded with a sugary but decaffeinated nectar. Memory and bees.